Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not sending on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not sending on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings as you see. After that, in this page you will enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and you click. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. And in the end you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.